For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at all these opening gaps on Friday. We just had a ton on July 24th. These are the ones that we picked as being the most likely to succeed. ABBV, COF, TRIP, V. And what we saw happen was we had a quick entry on Visa right at the close of the first bar of trading. That got us in. We had a move down into a couple $100 worth of profits. It rebounded very, very quickly. Wound up actually missing our initial profit target by a couple pennies down at the low of that bar, and then came back up and has stopped us out essentially flat. We are just down 15 cents on that one. And what we are doing right now in the room is watching Visa and TripAdvisor for a second entry. We're also watching stocks from the Around the Horn trading plan, obviously. We've had a couple things triggered today. One of them got us out 50% of the target, and some of the stocks to watch have also done well on the session. We had TripAdvisor trigger us in at $85.16. And let's see how this one plays out. Obviously, we've already got an extension on this. First thing we want to do is a little bit of hocus pocus, see if we can figure out where this thing might be going. We can do a Fibonacci study. As I said before, I don't believe necessarily that trading has a whole lot to do with the spiraling of seashells and tree rings and the universe and all that stuff, but if enough people are following something, it doesn't hurt to take a look at it. Let's see what a Fib study tells us on this one. We are right at a profit target. So in the room, obviously, you have heard me now a couple times. I've been saying let's use that 85.99 level as a go-to to get out of this. We're a little bit below that now, but that's okay. We can trail out of this at just about any point. We're at 86. So we've got a nice move on this one, and we don't want to give a lot of it back. So that is our trade in TripAdvisor. So if you haven't taken this one off already, go ahead and just start ratcheting in stops behind it. Please, please, please don't give it back a bunch on any of these trades. So we're off to a good start this Friday. We've got the Around the Horn trades that are doing really well. We've got TripAdvisor on the opening gaps. Visa just got us out kind of flattish, and we've had trades from the trading plan as well as from the scalper trading plan, all of them doing really well. If you're a bootcamp attendee, just pick up that telephone and give me a call if you have questions. If you're watching this video and you haven't been to a bootcamp and you've heard the buzz or talked to some of the bootcamp attendees and it sounds like something you want to do, you want to be a part of, then why don't you go ahead and click the link for the Miami Beach Bootcamp this September 27th through the 30th. We are going to do lots and lots of good stuff once again. These are fantastic groups made up of fantastic people. Everybody who goes to boot camp has a good experience, including me, and I think Miami Beach is going to be no exception to that rule. So click the link. You can fill out the application. Remember, it is an application process. We want to make sure that you are well suited for the boot camp and that the boot camp is well suited for you. So go ahead, fill out the application, talk to Julie. If it's a good fit, I will see you in Miami Beach. I hope you had a great trading day on Friday and an even better one on deck for Monday. This is the best trader education anywhere, only from TraderInsight.com.